Welcome everyone. This video demonstrates the introduction of the Results Mapper in the MARC. Results Mapper supports the mapping from and to MARC format. A variety of mapping types is supported, as well as user-defined results with the aid of Python scripting. To access the Results Mapper functionality, click the Results Mapper button from the Auxiliaries button group. A result mapping entity has already been defined, and by double-clicking on it, the results mapping window opens and you can edit it. All the available formats are listed here, and by navigating through the list, you can see the MARC format. The respective MARC source file is loaded at this field. The available mapping types are listed at this area. The temperature type is checked in order to map some temperatures as initial conditions. Pressing the OK button, the window is closed and it is time to apply the results mapping entity in the model by clicking the Apply option from the menu. As a result, point temp entities are created in the database browser and can also be seen in the model. Thank you for watching.